way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mind type? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives.
So after doing some sound testing, I can definitely say it sounds very good. Like for example, it's very comparable with the JBL Flip, even a little bit like the Charge 5. I do have to say it sounds a little bit comparable. One thing I did notice is that the sound really is coming on one side, and I can also see it a little bit in a reflection that the tweet is also a little bit more placed to the Huawei logo. So here's a little bit more empty. Maybe it has to do with the lightning here. But I do think it could have been a little bit better for sound separation to have the tweet on the other side. Overall, great design, and we'll make more videos, so see you guys in the next one.